I mean, there's really no difference. It's kind of hard to do this holding the phone. I mean, this is the aggressive, and there's like, I mean, still handles the same. You really need a mirror to do this. And this is just like I shave Friday or Thursday. I mean, there's really not much difference between all of them. You can feel that it's a little, okay. So it kind of, all right, so here. And it rinses out real well. Okay. I mean, I'm just kind of wondering how it'll do on my head. I mean, there's just a little bit of nickage. Let's see what is that one? Yeah, that looks like a little bit of nickage. I mean, so it is aggressive, and it'll kind of level out bumps, but it's really not that much more aggressive than the Plus. The 3 Plus is, you know, it's just as, I mean, you can feel it a little bit, but you know, there's really no need to go over the second time. So my wife just took a shower and took a bath, and she loved it. So, I mean, it's, let me get over here. You know what I like about this is that this just is so good at taking down hair that, you know, you just know where to put it in it, and it just cuts it. So I got some platinum blades for this, and oh well, I'll tastefully do this video so it doesn't look like I'm in the bathtub. All right. Yeah, 5-minute shave. So I got a couple little nicks there, not too bad. You know, this ain't a thorn. It does it. I mean, this is a nice razor. All right. Well, y'all have a good day.